Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe to remove wrinkles around the eyes and to get rid of fine lines around the eyes without any side effects with very simple ingredients. Just use it 6 nights before you sleep and you will get an amazing result. It's promising and it's super effective. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, and flax seeds rich in omega-3 and fatty acids that will help you tremendously in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كيتشافا الكاتا. I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon. And then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. You can use market aloe vera gel or natural aloe vera gel, whichever available for you. Both will get you the same results. Then we need Vaseline, and add around 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix all the ingredients very well. After mixing the ingredients like so, apply it on your skin like that. Apply generous amount around your eyes like so. And with an aid of tissue paper, wipe off the excess. And leave it like so overnight. In the next morning you will notice a great results in the wrinkles around your eyes, and keep using it for 6 days to get the best results ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.